Welcome to English Learning Studio. Learn real English for real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with confidence. Let's begin.
Have a good evening.
Have a good evening.
I'm done for the day.
I'm done for the day.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I'm leaving now.
I'm leaving now.
I finished my work.
I finished my work.
Let me shut down my computer.
Let me shut down my computer.
I'll lock the office.
I'll lock the office.
Drive safely.
Drive safely.
Have a safe trip home.
Have a safe trip home.
I'm waiting for the bus.
I'm waiting for the bus.
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
I got a seat.
I got a seat.
This bus is crowded.
This bus is crowded.
I'll get off at the next stop.
I'll get off at the next stop.
I'm taking a taxi.
I'm taking a taxi.
The traffic is heavy.
The traffic is heavy.
Please stop here.
Please stop here.
Thank you, driver.
Thank you, driver. I'll be home soon.
I'll be home soon. I'm home.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
How was your day?
How was your day?
My day was good.
My day was good.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let me take off my shoes.
Let me take off my shoes.
I'll change my clothes.
I'll change my clothes.
I need to relax.
I need to relax.
It's nice to be home.
It's nice to be home.
I missed you.
I missed you.
I'll wash my hands.
I'll wash my hands.
I'll wash my face.
I'll wash my face.
Let me take a shower.
Let me take a shower.
I feel refreshed.
I feel refreshed.
Open the window, please.
Open the window, please.
I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
Close the door, please.
Close the door, please.
I'm making tea.
I'm making tea.
Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
I'll have coffee instead.
I'll have coffee instead.
Let's have some snacks.
Let's have some snacks.
These biscuits are delicious.
These biscuits are delicious.
The tea is hot.
The tea is hot.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Let's sit together.
Let's sit together.
Tell me about your day.
Tell me about your day.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
How was school?
How was school?
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
What's on TV today?
What's on TV today?
I like this show.
I like this show.
Let's talk for a while.
Let's talk for a while.
I'm happy to see everyone.
I'm happy to see everyone.
Family time is special.
Family time is special.
Let's enjoy the evening.
Let's enjoy the evening.
I'm preparing dinner.
I'm preparing dinner.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Please cut the vegetables.
Please cut the vegetables.
Set the table, please.
Set the table, please.
Dinner is almost ready.
Dinner is almost ready.
The food smells wonderful.
The food smells wonderful.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
The dinner was delicious.
The dinner was delicious.
Wash the dishes after dinner.
Wash the dishes after dinner.
I'm reading a book.
I'm reading a book.
I'm listening to music.
I'm listening to music.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
The weather is pleasant.
The weather is pleasant.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I'm watching a movie.
I'm watching a movie.
This movie is interesting.
This movie is interesting.
I'm checking my messages.
I'm checking my messages.
I'll call my friend.
I'll call my friend.
I'm feeling relaxed.
I'm feeling relaxed.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Charge your phone.
Charge your phone.
Set your alarm.
Set your alarm.
Iron your clothes.
Iron your clothes.
Check tomorrow's schedule.
Check tomorrow's schedule.
Don't forget your keys.
Don't forget your keys.
Finish your tasks.
Finish your tasks.
Everything is ready.
Everything is ready.
We're ready for tomorrow.
We're ready for tomorrow.
Lock the door.
Lock the door.
I'm feeling sleepy.
I'm feeling sleepy.
It's time to sleep.
It's time to sleep.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Have a peaceful night.
Have a peaceful night.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a new day.
Tomorrow is a new day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.